Hi, welcome to Giordano's Vintage Motors. We have a brief walk-around video of our 1971 custom VW Bug Beetle suicide door car here, which is really a special car. This was, I think I would say, probably a custom-built show car, street car, door poppers, electric windows, custom interior, really a nice car. Let's kind of go behind the dash here and see what's going on. Maybe we'll do a quick engine startup. So we can hear the car run. We'll see our little engine back here. Video of the engine. It's kind of loud, so I'm going to turn that off. Yeah, it's kind of fun. So we'll turn the engine off here. So it does have a Pioneer deck here with a custom stereo. And I think it's got an alarm system, custom door poppers. You can see this has the very cool, even custom paintwork inside here. On the inside, some airbrushing. Really a cool car. I mean, at the base is a 4-speed manual 71 Beetle, Super Beetle, with some amazing custom paintwork you can see. And then, of course, one of the most unusual things is the driver's side and passenger side suicide doors, electric windows, custom paint. This is an award-winning show car up here in the Northwest and a couple of events. Just really nice custom touches, nerve bars. We'll kind of go in.